Good morning, everyone. Donnie here. If you remember, I did the speaking for Bobby on another video. I guess I did. Okay, so I'm back to help her again. She wants you all to know that progress is slow, but it is progress, and for that we're grateful. However, she can't yell at me when I upset her. For that I am grateful. Anyway, let's get to the project. This is the perpetual calendar sent to her from Country Craft Creations. In the beginning, she's cut all her papers to fit the cardstock pieces in the calendar. There is the base and 33 smaller pieces, 12 for the months, 7 for the days, and 14 for the numbers, 1 through 31. Each of these measure 2 inches by 5 inches, and the lower 2 corners are rounded. This kit is from the We Are Memory Keepers and also contains the spiral coil that holds the chipboard pieces. Her plan is to leave a small opening on each of the months and days as reminders of future events or appointments. For instance, if you have an MD appointment in January and are told to follow up in April, you will have a spot to tuck the appointment card or small note on the table April tab to remind you when April rolls around. I know many of you do planners, but this would be just a backup to that so you don't forget. The paper is using graphic 45, place and time. We are showing you at this time the planned placement of the cutouts she has chosen for each month. She will ink each one of the in black soot and then adhere it to cardstock. There will be a neutral paper on the back of each to finish it off. She's going to cut out the days of the week on her scan and cut in black artesian cardstock from Country Craft Creations. And the numbers were cut using the same cardstock with dies that she already had. Remember that you can use any dies or stickers that you want for those 2 items. You may have another cutting machine that will do as well. For the paper pad, she has the older version that has only 1 sheet of each of the cutouts. The new release has 2 sheets of each, so you could easily get 2 calendars or 1 calendar and 1 album out of a single paperback. Thank you for watching, and we will be back with the finished product once it is inked and adhered. She will be using art glitter glue to put everything together. That's also available at Country Craft Creations. Just a reminder, art glue cannot be shipped in cold weather, 40 degrees or below. If you need to order, be sure to do next week or so. Then we will have to wait until spring to get it. If you have another preference in adhesive, you can also use it as well. This is just my adhesive of choice, and I highly recommend it. Have a great day, everyone. Hi everyone, this is Donald for Bobby. This is the completed design team project for Country Craft Creations. The Perpetual Calendar Kit is from We Are Memory Keepers and contains all the chipboard pieces to complete the calendar and stand. The first one she bought only came with 1 page of paper cut-aparts, but the new ones that are out there come with 2. If you stay tuned, following this walkthrough, there will be a short tutorial on how this was put together. Here, we have used graphic 45 place and time collection paper. There are tuck spots for appointments, which will be explained in the tutorial. If you want to make a note of occasions that occur on the same date each year, such as birthdays or anniversaries, there is room for that on the tab for each month. Everything used in the project can be purchased from countrycraftcreations.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.